sticky, sticky. Having a glue-like quality, difficult to remove.
The candy was sticky and stuck to my fingers. I spilled syrup, and now the table is sticky.
Puddle, puddle. A small pool of water on the ground.
After the rain, there was a puddle in the driveway. She jumped over the puddle to keep her shoes dry.
Blame, blame. To say that someone is responsible for a mistake.
I didn't mean to break the vase, please don't blame me. He was quick to blame his friend for the error.
Own, own. To possess something, to have something as yours.
I own a bicycle that I ride every day. She wants to own her own house one day.
Portable, portable. Easy to carry or move.
This portable charger is perfect for travel. He bought a portable speaker for the picnic.
Overseer, overseer. A person who supervises or manages others.
The overseer checked on the workers regularly. She is the overseer of the school project.
Pride, pride. A feeling of satisfaction about one's achievements.
He felt pride when he graduated from school. She took pride in her artwork.
Fellow, fellow. A person who shares a common interest or experience.
He is a fellow student in my class. She met a fellow traveler on the bus.
Honor, honor. To show respect or recognition for someone.
They will honor the winner with a trophy. It is an honor to meet the author.
Punish, punish. To make someone suffer for a wrong action.
The teacher will punish students for cheating. He was punished for breaking the rules.
Pretend, pretend. To act as if something is true when it is not.
She likes to pretend she is a princess. He pretended to be sick to stay home.
Persuade, persuade. To convince someone to do something.
I tried to persuade my friend to join the team. She was able to persuade her parents to let her go.
Rush, rush. To move quickly or hurry.
I need to rush to get to school on time. Don't rush through your homework. Take your time.
Pickpocket, Pickpocket. A person who steals from pockets or bags.
Be careful, there are pickpockets in crowded places. He was caught trying to pickpocket a tourist.
Cooperate. Cooperate. To work together with others.
The students need to cooperate on the group project. We should cooperate to solve this problem.
Burst. Burst. To break open suddenly.
The balloon will burst if you blow it up too much. She felt like she would burst with excitement.